located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Meventure near Cary to near Sanford, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Sanford, Hillsborough, Creedmoor, Pittsboro, Wake Forest, and Garner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating,